Hey guys, check out this new John Deere lawnmower. 390. The new and improved. This is a 2020, and the special deal this thing has is power steering and a power deck that raises and lowers by the hydraulics. Just look at this here dash when I turn the key on. I just totally love that. I don't know if they call that LED or what, but right now it's showing, I have it in park, and it's showing that I have a little over 3/4 of a tank of gas. How cool is that? When this thing's running over to the side here, it shows kind of like a tachometer. And if you have it up in the green right here, that tells you that's where you need to have it at least to actually mow the lawn. Without it running, I do have the deck up, and you can let it down with the deck without the mower running. Let me go ahead and drop it and you'll see what I mean. Smooth, and this thing is really nice, especially when your hands aren't working very well. And your legs, because normally you lift the deck up with a pedal. This has no pedal, and also because this is power steering, it makes it much better, easier to turn. In there you can see the hydraulic power steering. Let me start this thing up and show it to you in action. Easy to start, and look how nice that thing turns. Let me open this thing up and show you the motor. I just washed this thing up because we just got done putting new grass seed in. It's really dusty out there, so you can see a little bit of dust still in here. Place to check your oil. Easy access to the battery. And there's a sticker on the motor telling you a little bit about it maybe. John Deere motor. This has a place so you can hook your garden hose to it and wash the deck out. And the best way to wash this deck out is turn the water on, turn your deck on, and lower it down, and it washes so much nicer. This also has a place, you can spring loaded, so you can get in here and grease this if you so choose to. Same with the other side. There's a place here on the back that if you want to take it out of gear or unlock the transmission from it, you pull that, and now you're able to push the lawnmower if that's what you needed to do for emergencies or whatever the case may be. Push it back in, and it locks the transmission back into the wheels. Now let me show you how easy it is to raise and lower this deck. Lower it, you push it, lift it up, it raises the deck. Very easy to set the emergency brake. This here you push in and you lift it up like I have it now to take the emergency brake off. Push the pedal in all the way, drop it down, and now you can use your 2 foot controls, forward and reverse, to get the thing moving. Let's get mowing. This button here is, you pop it up when it's running, and it engages the blades. Push it in, the blades stop, when you're mowing and you have to reverse, there's a yellow button over here right next to the deck lowering and raising. The yellow button you need to push in before you start reversing, and then you can push the reverse pedal, and about 2 seconds after you start reversing, you can let go of the button and finish reversing. Get both hands on the steering wheel if necessary. John Deere sells a mulching attachment that you can order separately for your deck, and that's this right here. In the forward motion, it says that it spits the grass out because it shows the lines coming out. You put it back, and you can see this here, it closes it off, and that way the grass churns up even more and drops back down onto your lawn. So that's actually a good feature to self-fertilize, and if you live in the city, you're not taking that grass and dumping it in the garbage all the time. You're mulching it in, which is good for your lawn. Easy to set the depth of how far you want to drop this deck down to the lawn. This here has 4 wheels on it, which is really nice, so that way your deck floats across the ground pretty much, and you have several holes. You just pull this, which it just wants to drop out, and you have quite a few settings that you can put it on to get a real close shortcut, which we have this one set with 3 holes up. Make sure you get each of them the same amount of holes, so that way the deck rides nice. And also another feature on here, which is also setting the depth of how close it mows. Number one, it won't go any lower than these tires here, but let me show you over here. The sun's not on it very well, but this here, when the deck is up, you can dial this to wherever you want it. On number 3 is where we have it right now, and so the deck is actually floating and the tires hit the ground when the ground is level or whatever to raise the deck up so it doesn't scalp the ground. And in order to make this deck easier for some people, you take this, dial it over to 1, which that's it to an extreme. You lower this deck, it's down all the way and on 4 wheels, and now you can step on the deck without ruining the deck, step on it, and then step up on your pedal and get on the lawnmower if you have a problem getting up, which is another fantastic thing to think about when you're climbing on your lawnmower. Here's a real nice feature here, a place to put your drink, water bottle or whatever, and you have a little open glove box, which if you want, this is what attaches to the deck wash. But also when you're going along, especially if you live out in the country, if you see a rock or a stick, as long as the stick's not too big, you can throw it in here until you get back to the house or out to the burn pile or whatever and empty this out. Like I said, I like the idea of the water bottle. Over on this side's the gas cap, which is got the nice big opening, so it's very easy to fill up. I don't know exactly how much this thing holds for gas, but it's not as big as some of the gas tanks on other lawnmowers, but still it does have the gas gauge, so you don't get stuck out in the back 40 and all of a sudden run out of gas. I did want to mention also, this thing does have a shield that actually goes on this lawnmower. I'll show you on the other lawnmower what it looks like to help shoot the grass out. We took it off of this one because it is a 48-inch deck that we ordered for this lawnmower. We didn't want any wider, and we still hit things. So we took it off so we can get closer. Of course, you can use the other side too, but also so it'll fit in the shed because the door wasn't as big as we thought to just slide it up in there. So this is what the extra piece looks like. That helps shoot the grass out. It's spring loaded so it stays down, it makes it safe. We don't have any children around here, and so this is pretty safe. And normally we mow with this thing mulching, and so you're not shooting out any rocks or anything else. So in so many words, this isn't needed except for when you have fast growing grass, like in the spring when things warm up. And then in the summer here, we don't really have any rain, and so all the grass slowly dies down. So it's just good all around to mulch for this area here in Washington State. There's one more feature on this mower I forgot to show you, and that's if you're short-legged and you move the seat clear up, there's steering wheels in the way, or if you got a little bit too much of something in the way, on this lawnmower, you flip this lever up, you can move the steering wheel clear up or bring it down. You let it go and it locks it into place. Very nice feature to have. It also helps if you move it clear up, you can get your legs past this a lot easier and get right off the lawnmower. Fantastic feature. So there you have it. John Deere came up with something really good on the 2020 lawnmowers. Totally happy with the power steering, totally happy with the power deck, and the only thing else they can improve as far as I'm concerned is to make it so you can reverse by turning the key like some of the other lawnmowers, and you can go in reverse and the blades will still work. The safety feature there is mainly for if you have kids, you don't want to back up over them, and it shuts the blades down so they don't get hurt any worse than just maybe backing over them, which do be safe when you're mowing. Always know what's going around you, but sometimes those kids are quick.